Hi everyone, welcome back. In this short video, we'll focus on the most basic but also the most important question. What are microservices? Many people hear the word microservices and immediately think it simply means many small services. But that understanding is incomplete. A microservice is not defined only by its size. It is defined by how it is designed, how it is owned, how it communicates, and how independently it can be changed and deployed. So in this section, Michael and I will explain the core definition of microservices, why the word micro can be misleading, and why concepts like business domain, independent deployability, clear service boundaries, and stable external interfaces matter so much. Let's start from the foundation. At a basic level, a microservice is a service that can be developed, deployed, and released independently. It is usually modeled around a business domain, such as inventory, order management, shipping, customer profile, or recommendation.
That's important. A microservice is not just a small service. The word micro can be misleading. The more important characteristics are independent deployability, business domain alignment, and clear service boundaries.
Exactly. A microservice should behave like a black box from the outside. Consumers should not know how it stores data, what language it is written in, or how its internal logic is organized.
They should only interact with it through a stable external interface, such as a REST API, a queue, or a topic.
So if we take all of this together, a microservice is not just about splitting a system into smaller pieces. It is about structuring a system so that each service represents a clear business capability and can evolve independently over time.
Right. For example, in an e-commerce system, you might have separate services for orders, payments, shipping, and inventory. Each of these services can be built, deployed, and scaled independently without affecting the others.
And this independence is what gives microservices their flexibility. Teams can work on different services in parallel, use different technologies if needed, and release changes faster. So in simple terms, microservices are about building systems that are modular, independently deployable, and aligned with business domains.
So in simple terms, microservices are about building systems that are modular, independently deployable, and aligned with business domains.
And that's the foundation we'll build on in the rest of this course.